Good evening, everybody. One final little trick. I'm going to show you how you can use another AI to simultaneously have two different AIs fighting each other. This is cool because you can use, right now I've got an AI that's an A2C AI, but for example, say I had trained up a PPO AI. With this method, you could have the PPO fight the A2C, or the DQN, or the HER, whatever you've trained them up on. You can use this method to have them fight each other in Street Fighter. So using the code we wrote yesterday, we're going to basically, we only have the one model right now, but we'll load them into two different variables in memory and give it two different environments. So to do that, for example, we'll go model equals, oh, actually we call it model 2 because we already have model 1. So it's going to be exactly the same for this one. If we had a different model, we'd have to put a different name in here, right? Like if it was our PPO model, we'd put our PPO model in there. But since we only have the one, we're just going to pretend we have two different ones. And then we need another environment. I don't even know why I'm typing it. It's literally identical in this particular case. So this would be the same either way. The big difference is now here, instead of, we're going to do model 2 set env, and it's going to be env3. So now we have two full environments and two models loaded. Again, it's the same model for both in this particular case, but it doesn't have to be. We could do literally anything, which is pretty cool. I think maybe later I'll do a video of all the different models fighting each other. I bet you the PPO2 wins in the end. Okay, so we have two models. We'll come down here. All this stays the same. This is all the same right here. So we'll go A3 equals model2.predict. And we'll send him the same thing, OBS. He gets to look at the same image as the other guy. And instead of action array, we'll go, let's blue that out. Let's say act equals A2 to list plus action array. Nope, what am I doing? A3 to list. That's it. That is legitimately the whole thing. So now when we run this, it's going to be two AIs fighting each other in Street Fighter. Two separate AIs. It's going to take way longer to load, though, so give it a sec. Hello from the Pygame community. Pygame is pretty good, guys. I think I'm into it. I think I'm going to do more cool stuff with it. So there you go. You see right here, it loaded the two different environments. Oops, what have I done? Oh my gosh, every time I spell that wrong. I don't know why I can't spell env. Let's try that again. Hello from the Pygame community. Okay, getting close. That's one. You do need to have a lot of RAM, a lot of video RAM for this. Or if you've trained it up with just the computer, a lot of regular RAM, because you got to fit both models in the same space. Okay, so here you go. This is the Guile is controlled by one of the AIs, and Ryu is controlled by the other one. So the Guile bot is at a disadvantage because the Guile bot actually thinks he's Ryu because it's a visual thing, right? So he's not gonna fight to win. But had we trained a different bot on the Guile, with Guile on the right hand side of the screen, this would be a significantly more interesting fight. As it stands, it's just a demonstration of what can happen. So yeah, I look forward to my next video where I either show you a custom OpenAI algorithm or possibly a comparison in Street Fighter 2 of all the different algorithms that a Stable Baselines has made, maybe some additional ones too, and we'll see who's the best. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.